I'm utilizing the 3D printer on this build of the 441 Cafe. This is the speedo diameter here, so this is going to slip over the speedometer, and then this is going to carry the RPM, digital RPM tach above the speedo. So we'll be able to fit the speedo on the single plate chrome handlebar mount for the speedo, which came on the Victor. And then we've got these oil tank rubbers so that we can insulate the oil tank from the frame, and these will fit inside the tubes on the frame and also the bushing on the actual oil tank. Now I'm going to make a couple other things. I'm going to have to fix this here. This is a block here that I'm putting in to reinforce it. I'll align this all the same alignment after I finish the block. There we go. And then we'll make the height different. Might have to actually change the perspective, but anyways, you get the idea. This will be supported by this center block here, which I'll raise up to the lip here, and then I'll have a solid support for this tack going on the top. And this will all mount as stock on the bike as well, so that's good adaptation to the existing frame. Anyways, I'll see you on day 18. We're going to try to do a video every day now. Tomorrow's going to be a lot of cleaning up, but it's also going to be a lot of planning, and the wiring is pretty much sussed out, and I've got all the wires and equipment to do it. We'll be soldering every joint, every connector onto the wires. We're not just going to crimp it, but we're going to actually solder it on, and then we're going to shrink wrap all the ends of the connectors so there's nothing exposed to the elements, and we'll see how that goes. Have a good day.